Welcome to English in 5 minutes with AI. In just 5 minutes a day, you'll be able to master 10 powerful English expressions that will help you speak more confidently and naturally. Whether you're preparing for IELTS, TOEFL, or just want to sound like a native speaker, this channel is your perfect companion. Join us every day for fresh, engaging content powered by AI and watch your English skills grow in no time. Let's get started.
Lucia has a vivid imagination. Her artworks are so original.
Gustav has a selfish streak. He won't share his cookies with his friends. Chetan is as bold as brass. He walked up to the actor and asked for an autograph.
It was great to see Jasmine at the party. She's always a barrel of laughs. Zoe loves proving how much she knows. She's too smart for her own good. Nora is such a fuddy-duddy. She never wants to come out with us on Saturday night.
Arturo is so two-faced. He said he liked my haircut but told his friends he hated it.
My dad is just an average Joe. He enjoys burgers and fries, and loves watching baseball.
Bob is such a crybaby. He was very upset about not getting a perfect score. Noha is really down to earth. He earns lots of money but he lives in a little cottage.
Thank you so much for watching English in 5 minutes with AI. We hope you enjoyed today's lesson and learned something new. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to get more daily lessons delivered straight to your inbox. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. And remember, improve your English in 5 minutes a day. Stay tuned, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next one.